The second topic is using Lovable forced me to learn. All right, so 5 minutes. So I'm gonna tell you guys this. So I was talking to a friend today, right? And I told a friend, "Hey, I have an idea for you. With this whole vibe coding push, my friend is a QA engineer, and I said, you would be like, you can look into this idea to offer your amazing testing services to these people who don't really know what they're doing in coding, and they're just developing a bunch of buggy applications, right? You can offer your services." And my friend was like, yeah, but I kind of like to work on real code. I'm like, it is real code. It's just real code that AI built. And as you can see with the applications that I've been working on, the homeschool application, now this AI career analyzer application, these are real full blown apps with Stripe integration and stuff like that. If you stumble across this website, you would have no idea that how it was created. And guess what? If it gives you the right information, you don't give two flying hoots. All right. So Lovable forced me to learn a lot in the very, very past month. Stuff that I had ideas of, like I knew something about them, but here's what it forced me to learn. It forced me to learn about, and this is just within the last week, PDF generation. How to, because the applications that I've been building, they require PDF generation, right? So it forced me to learn how to integrate like PDF generation providers, how to integrate with their APIs. Now once it integrates with the API and it generates the PDF, I was getting an error on one of the applications. I had to guide it in a way to work its way through not downloading a blank PDF. I had to learn about sending emails. Email providers with connecting to their APIs, to setting up your records with your domain name provider, so that it doesn't come and show up as spam and stuff like that, going through the approval process. I learned about canvases. So you guys know about Canva, right? One of my applications, I said, you know what? I want a Canva style thumbnail editor where I can generate an image with AI, put that on the canvas, and then once that's on the canvas, then I want to be able to add layers to it, add text, add additional images and stuff like that. So it had me learning about Fabric.js. Pull it up. Fabric.js is a npm module where in a web browser you can actually use it kind of like you use Canva, like, and then you can add on to it, right? That the Fabric.js part, this thumbnail thing has been a pain in my butt. However, for the application that I use every single day, it has been a lifesaver for me, right? And if I can get it to a point where it can make my thumbnails exactly as I do when I'm using an actual image editing application, that's gonna be a win for me. Let's go with Fabric.js real quick. Fabric.js. So let's take a look at Fabric.js, right? I had never heard of Fabric.js, but my prompt was, I want to be able to use a thumbnail editor in this application. And it says, oh, I'm going to install Fabric.js and install this. And basically, this is let me see. Run me. And this is the first time I'm actually on the Fabric.js website. But so I don't even know what this page does, but let me see. You're supposed to be you see, so look at that. You see I can do stuff with it. And basically when I'm building the application, I'm building it to my specifications, and I'm like, all right, so this is what I do when I'm using my actual image editing software. I want to be able to add a gradient. And
move on, back to work, chop chop, let's go. Come on, get a move on. Back to work, back to work, back to work.
And I'm able to add all of these custom features in my applications. Learning more about, so here's another thing it forced me to learn. How to, and this is like more through Superbase, but I found out about Superbase through Lovable. And it's like, all right, how do I set up OAuth on Google, on Facebook, on Apple, on LinkedIn, on GitHub? Yes. And they give you, so I go into the documentation and I'm like figuring how to set up all these connections. So back to what I was saying earlier. I think that the marketing of these tools and applications, when they're marketing to, oh, you can just build and you can just, like, anybody can build something. You don't need any code, no code, no code, no code. If you were to market to the people who actually know how to use this stuff, because for me, like, I never thought about or cared about this stuff, because they're marketing. They weren't marketing to me. They were not marketing to me. But thanks to my guy Wave Nerd, he's like, you should try this out. You should try this out. And I tried it. I'm like, oh wow, what I know, like applying the skills that I've gained. How did they say it in Taken? I have a special set of skills that I've acquired over the past 20, 40 years, whatever it was. I will find you and I will code the hell out of you.
Let's get it.
So now using all that knowledge that I had, and I'm like, I can build whatever I want. And I have the capacity to troubleshoot, to test it, to go and come up with the ideas. I've worked on so many different things. I know how to research. I know how to innovate. And Wave Nerd marketed this to me. And that's why I think that these platforms, if they can start targeting these tech people, show them how much it can actually do and how much time, because I could have built one of these apps. Might take me a year, might take me 2. I have like 5 different apps which are all past 80% complete in a month and a half. I signed up on May 29th. A month and a half. I learned, and this is just like a percentage of all the stuff that I've learned using this in the past month and a half. And there's a lot more to come. On Tuesday, I was like, you know what? I wonder if I could do where I pass in a video URL and AI analyzes it for this, right? I don't know, but it's forcing me to learn. So even when I use it at work, and I'm like, oh, I go like, oh, how can I do this? Building GitHub Actions, SH scripts, all these things, right? And that is just from like, that's AI in general, but just Lovable forcing me to go into all of these different tools and providers to connect to it. These API providers, these login providers. It's crazy. It is absolutely crazy. All right.
I'm not that far removed from the storm. The heat still lingers, my heart still warm. I try to change, but the core remains. I'm not that far removed from the flame.
I'm not that far removed from the storm. The heat still lingers, my heart still warm. I try to change, but the core remains. I'm not that far removed from the flame.
They pushed and pulled like I'm a game to play. Thought I'd crumble, thought I'd stray. I walked away from shadows I knew, but I'm not that far removed from the view.
They threw their stones, I caught them all. Built a wall so I wouldn't fall. Changed my name, changed my tune, but I'm not that far removed from the moon.
I'm not that far removed from the fire that burns, the soul I prove. You can test me, you can try, but I'm still the storm. stay gone. A ghost in the mirror, it lingers on. Try to rewrite, try to improve, but I'm not that far removed from the groove.
I buried the fire, but it still flickers low. They thought I'd crumble, but they don't even know. The echoes of me that I left in the past still rise like a shadow I can't outlast.
They see my face, but they don't see the scars. Every line's a map, a story that's ours. I wear my armor, my heart's subdued, but I'm not that far removed from the crude.
They built their walls, but I've got my tools. Try to make me dance to their shallow rules. I walked away, but the fight's in my veins. Not that far gone from my old hurricane.
They wanted a puppet, but I cut the strings. Tried to clip my wings, but I still sing. I shed my skin, but the scars still show. Not that far gone from the me they used to know. I'm not that far removed from the fire that burns the soul I prove. You can test me, you can try, but I'm still the storm, the unbroken sky.
Oh, they act like I've forgotten the fight, but I'm a phoenix not lost in the night. I've grown taller, but the roots run deep. I'll wake the thunder if they wake the beast.
Oh, they act like I've forgotten the fight, but I'm a phoenix not lost in the night. I've grown taller, but the roots run deep. I'll wake the thunder if they wake the beast.
Oh, they act like I've forgotten the fight, but I'm a phoenix not lost in the night. I've grown taller, but the roots run deep. I'll wake the thunder if they wake the beast.